labasan. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. 3 points. 14 shot clock. Labasan. Number 10, first personal foul, first team foul, Calabayan. Two points, Calabayan. 2 points, Labasan. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. 2 points, Labasan. 2 points, Calabayan. 2 points, Calabayan. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 points, Labasan. 14 shot clock. 2 points. 2 points, Labasan. 2 points, Labasan. 2 points, Calabayan. 2 seconds for the first quarter. 2 points, Labasan. 2 points, Calabayan. 50 seconds. 14 shot clock. 40. 30. 2 points, Calabayan.
By Calabayan. Wow, it's a good color of by Calabayan. Labasan ko pulisin. Wow, man! Naiwan yung assist, yung shot wala. Lozano. It's a 2 points, Calabayan. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Tapos ang Calabayan. O Mr. Pinlare Omatake. Wow. 2 points for Calabayan. Number 23. Lisa. Pelare to Gornes. Gornes. 2 points. Wow, gihadla. Baka mo na siya itong Tigulo. Tigulo. Ayan na. Iba talaga ang malaki. Wala. Nakuha ni Gornes ang bola. Control to Mr. Wow! Easy shoot! Monisip controlling the ball. Pass to. Looking to shoot. Bang! Super pa. Ayan na Lucero. Shopping to guys. Looking to shoot. Yay! Rebound by Oyan. Nag-shopping si Lucero. 2 points by Lapasan. Tomas. Ayan na, umiikot si Tomas pero nahuli. Pelare, pass to Lucero. Ayan na Lucero for the second quarter. Monisip. Shooting 2. Wow! Monisip. Sa kanya na naman. Nahuli. Gornes pass to Lucero. Lucero. Ayan. Ball is controlled by yes, naman number 22 Monisip. Wala gihapon. Ayan na Tomas. 2 points. Ayan na Tomas! Lays up by Tomas, 2 points! For the third quarter, Tomas Nisabot. Gornes, shooting 2, bam bam! Wow! Gornes again! 2 points! Otro pa yung bonus eh. Monisip. Pass to Tigulo 4. Wala. Nakuha ni Pus Lapasan. Lapasan to Tomas. Tomas. Wow, 2 points for Lapasan. Kalabayan control the ball to Magapilit. Magapilit to Halim. Halim to Gornes. Gornes to ouch! It's a 2 points for Kalabayan. Ball is controlled by Tomas. Pass to Monisip. Monisip to Tigulo. Tigulo to wala. Rebound by. It's a 2 points. Magapilit control the ball. Pass to yes, Gornes. Bang. It's a 2. Pera. Wow. Yan. Isip ko na siya. Pass to Tigulo. Tigulo. Nakakana foul. Yan. Ang lami. Ang lami rin ang pabilin. Ayan na. Pantag. Ayaw. Ayaw. There's a foul. Ayan na naman kang Gornes ang bola. Pass to Pera. Ayay, ihanda. Wow. 2 points by Pope. Ayan na. 2 points. Points for Lapasan. 15 to shoot. Wow. Hindi ko. Ayan na. Monisip. Makapilit pass to Oregon. 2 points. 61-41. Ayan na. Back to Halem. Halem for 2. Wala. Nakuha ni Moniset. Moniset. Pass to. 2 points for 15 to shoot. Back to Makapilit. Yay! Kanindot sa layup. 63. Tigulo. Wala. Ayan na. Ayay. Sa'yo na yan. 2 points. Napasan. Ayan na. Wow! 2 points. Seconds to play. Wow, Tigulo 2 points. Seconds. Ayay! Gornes! Topera. Oregon 2 points. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. To shoot. 3. In. Wow, 2 points for us to Oregon. Oregon. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Wow. Pinalipad-lipad ka mo. Layo pa kayo. Ayan na. 5 to shoot. Wow. Wow. Shoot. 2 points for Lapasan. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. It's a 2 points for the little boy. Last 2 minutes. And wow, kit mo pinasa. May kalaban nga. 2 points. Ayan na. Zambrano for 2. Pangbang. Wala nakuha ni Serregidor. 45 seconds. Pass to Nakuhain mo ito Oregon for 2. Wow, rebound by Iyay. 30 seconds. Zambrano. Nawala Japon. Ayan na, open. Boom! Open ball to Mr. Tigulo. Nawala Japon. 5 seconds. That's it.